Hi. Today we want to continue to look at the tools that were mentioned in the Boomi community article, How to List Boomi Runtime Cipher Suites. The article goes through various reasons and issues around Cipher Suites, in particular that we want to know the strength and also versions of some TLS versions, et cetera, for a particular site. And there are requirements for the Boomi runtime as well, since it uses a local Java runtime engine or JRE. So in the article, it talks various tools that can be compiled. Java provides a tool as well. And then there are other external ways we can look at it. And we mentioned SSL debug, which will list them. But the tool I wanted to talk about today was the testssl.sh script. It is a Linux tool, and there's various ways you can download it. The easiest way is if you go to, for installation, you simply go to this website, and then you can click on this, and then it'll download that file. And here we have the file downloaded. And then we want to, you simply copy that file to your local Linux environment, which we'll do here. And then once that file is listed, then we will do a G unzip of the file. Oops. G unzip of the file, and then we do a tar -xff of the tar file. Having typo problems, excuse me. And then it builds a directory that contains all of the executables and documentation and etc. So this executable shell script here can be used now to check ciphers on particular platforms. For instance, if we wanted to check out the Boomi platform, wanted to see the ciphers, we can, the -E says list only the ciphers, the --Y is headings, and then the --HTML says produce a HTML file that we can upload into our browser. So as this tool runs right now, it's checking both of these IP addresses, which are returned from a DNS lookup, and then it goes through and it lists the ciphers by strength, and then also what's available, and it does it for each IP address, so you can see, and then it completes. Now, if we were to use the same tool for a different, I have a runtime loaded here, and we wanted to look at it here, then we would test on our shared web server port that's open, and then using the -E option, we again would probe the server, and then it will list the Cipher suites that are available here. Note that it does not list any TLS 1.3. Well, that's because in my Boomi runtime, I have specified that TLS version 1.2 is only provided. So this same output is actually from, I just open up the file that was created in the run. If we look at it here, we will see that this file here can be copied over and open in our browser, and the results would be this. There's also a JSON output you can use with a --JSON pretty, and that will list only the ciphers in this format. And then if you wanted a more elaborate and actual complete use of the test, and again, this is, all of these are at your own discretion, but then it goes through testing cipher categories. It looks at the server preferences for ciphers. It looks at TLS versions that are used. It also looks at the actual certificate here. You can see that this is a wildcard certificate that was self-signed. So this is for our test environment. And it goes through the chain of trust would be here, and some other important information. There's HTTP header testing that's done. And again, this is all based on OpenSSL as the driving engine. So for another runtime that I have, this one has TLS 1.3 enabled, and so you see those ciphers are listed here. So again, very powerful tool, has a lot of documentation. It's free and available for Linux environments, and it would be very useful for probing and or determining cipher suites, both on your runtime as well as on servers that you're trying to communicate to. Thank you for listening, and I hope this was helpful. Have a good one.